In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Timeline View. If you're managing multiple projects in Trello, you'll find this feature incredibly helpful for visualizing all your tasks and their deadlines in a straightforward and organized manner. Let's dive right in and make your project management smoother and more efficient. To begin, take a look at the top left corner of your Trello board. You'll notice a caret icon located right next to the board title. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a list of different views available to you on Trello. Among these options, you should see the Timeline view. Click on Timeline to enter that perspective. Once you're in the Timeline view, you'll immediately notice how it transforms your project data into a visual timeline. Here, every card with assigned dates will be neatly laid out, allowing you to see all your important dates and due dates at a glance. It's a fantastic way to quickly assess your project's progress and workload, as all relevant time frames are visually organized for you. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the board card sections in the panel. These sections correspond to different tasks or lists from your board, and you can interact with them in a few different ways to ensure everything is perfectly aligned with your project's needs. One of the most intuitive features of this timeline is the drag and drop functionality. If you notice that a certain task needs to be adjusted or rescheduled, simply drag it to the new date on your timeline, and it will automatically update accordingly. Additionally, if you find that a task requires a shorter or longer time frame, you can easily adjust its duration directly on the timeline. Hover over the edges of a task card until you see arrows indicating you can extend or shorten it. Click and drag to modify the task's time frame, ensuring it fits the necessary dates comfortably. This level of flexibility makes comprehensive project management easier and more intuitive, as you're able to adjust plans on the fly without losing sight of your overall timeline. These features are invaluable for anyone working to maintain a well-organized schedule across multiple projects. By visualizing your tasks on a timeline, you can proactively manage upcoming deadlines and balance your workload more effectively. Remember, the timeline view is your ally in ensuring every project's milestones are met efficiently and on time. That's all there is to it. Enjoy using the timeline view to its fullest potential and watch how your project management and productivity improve. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this feature as useful as many Trello users have.